I think it's important to look outside of your own company and look for resources that you can help. I know that Kim and I, and myself before that, we have worked with a business coach. That's been very helpful for us because you can just share all your problems and your challenges for somebody who's safe. And that's what we like to provide to our clients too. We're a safe place for you to come and just dump all your fears and your challenges, and we'll help you realize that it's not as scary as you might think. And just like a coach or even a colleague or a mentor, it's important to seek out those people and also to make sure that you trust. Build things in to make sure that you are going to trust that person. Don't just blindly give everything. We do see a lot of people that have had bad bookkeeping experiences, and it's important for you to be involved in the experience and have some understanding of what's going on so you can have a trust with what that person is doing to help you. Building projections. And I think so many people, let's say they said, oh, my revenue this year is 200,000 and next year I'm gonna do $1 million. Okay, great. How are you gonna do that? Break it down for me. Because I think it's easy to say that, might be what you want to do, but it's not achievable. So in order to look at how you're growing your business, I break it down. Okay, what do each of you do? What does your staff do? How many hours do you have? If you have this many sales this year, how are you going to get to that many sales? What's the formula? What does it make up? Don't just give me a number. I want to know what that number is made up at so we can know that we can achieve it. Because if you set targets for yourself that are unachievable, you're just setting yourself up to be discouraged. So I think that's always the basis for me on how to grow your business, to say, okay, and then you get to the bottom line once you create that projection and say, we're losing money. So if we're losing money, let's go back into the expenses to see how can we change that? What does this look like? Maybe we undersaid the revenue, maybe we overstated something, and it gives you the opportunity to analyze what's possible and what you need to work towards in order to get to the end goal for that year. So whether it's growing your business, whether it's being more profitable, whether it's adding a staff member, whether it's buying a piece of equipment, whatever it is, all of those things we can create on a piece of paper and make it realistic targets. So then each year we can look at that, or even each quarter we say, okay, we did this budget, and for the first 3 months of the year, let's say where we are on that budget, on that target. Oh, okay, we're off track. Are we up? Are we down? Well, this happened, that happened. We can look at reasons why or why not those things happened, and then make tweaks and changes along the way, so that at the end of the year, I find so many businesses, especially sole props, they're one person. At the end of the year, they don't realize how much HST they're going to go at the end of the year, or how much taxes. And they think, oh, maybe I did okay this year. I have money in the bank. Meanwhile, probably more money than what they have in the bank is going to be owed to CRA. So those kinds of things are helpful to look at ahead of time so that you're prepared for what's to come. So it's not even about how to grow your business, it's how to manage it. And again, it relieves some of that stress.